Hype.
Yo, what's up? You already know what time it is. It's Hyper Trash, and we're back. This is season 2, episode 2. It's your boy, Jesse. We got Hansel in the building.
Yo.
We got Fernando.
Good.
You already know, man. Hey, we got a nice lineup today. We got some trash, and we got some heat, so we got a mixture of both.
Nice little balance.
Let's get it.
Yeah, let's go. Let's
get it. Let's start it off. Let's jump right into it.
We got 2 pairs of the space hippies. The space
First,
hippies.
hey, real talk. First, I want to say is Heat 3-0 against the Bucks in the semifinals. Let's get it.
Bad news for the Bucks.
Bad news for the Bucks. All right, let's jump in it. We got the Space Hippies. We got Space Hippie 3s. We got Yeezy Boost 350s with a little reflective on it. We got the Travis Scott 6s. We got Travis Scott Air Force 1s. And we got the... Huh? Air Forces, yeah. And then we got the skeleton Air Force 1 with the glow-in-the-dark bottom head. Let's get it.
Let's start with the...
Bad news for the Bucks.
Let's start with the hippies. So what's up with the hippies?
Hippie 2s, straight trash. You call these the trainers. These are called the old school Fernandos. These
It's a throwback for me. It's a throwback.
Yo, these right here, real talk, these right here to me are completely trash. I don't like them. I get it, but I don't get it. Next, Fernando, check it out.
I think something
I don't got much to say
something
about
that we
that.
discussed earlier is that I appreciate the concept of it.
The concept is dope. Yeah.
It's dope, right? We're recycling. We're taking stuff back together, putting them together. What's up?
I like that.
It's a dope concept, right? Recycling, taking the trash together, putting that trash all together. But for me,
shit.
like I used to say in the last season, this is not a Miami shoe. It's not a Miami shoe for me. No, una chancleta.
You're gonna tell me you don't feel nothing for this shoe?
I feel like people in Hialeah will probably rock it for sure. With the skinny jeans, yeah, white skinny jeans, the white T-shirt,
Like
and they're killing it.
All beige outfit.
yeah, they'll kill it.
And they're killing it.
And they're killing it.
In space.
These are the
No, all white
all
with
white.
the gold Cuban link.
and
I
they'll
think
rock
it'll
these
still
to the
be
gym
nice.
for sure.
Con el
Yeah,
cuello subido.
This is something that someone will wear to the gym. I think that, like Fernando said, the concept is dope. The idea was to create sustainable shoes. It's
Sustainable.
people that live in
Sustainable.
Mars, so you have limited resources, you have limited materials, and these are the results. What I do like about this shoe, it just looks really comfortable. So
Comfortable.
I want to try these on, man. It has like the queso blanco on the inside for the sole,
Corks.
so you have a lot of comfort. Yeah, these are I guess these are trash, but I would
Trash.
still wear these. I would
Trash,
wear
yeah. To me, it's trash. Hansel,
Trash,
Fernando's trash. All right, trash. Next shoe.
Let's go to the next trash right next to it.
Next shoe. So at first this was trash for me, but now that I have the shoe in my hand, and once I started looking at the shoe, reminds me of a Nike Presto. Reminds me of the Presto, the acronyms, right?
Yeah, the
Acronyms, and they're. I actually like this shoe.
Guess what?
It's
Everyone?
clean.
It's another trash.
No, so once you put on the shoe, you got the swoosh on the toe box. I like the dark gray. It's a bit different than this one.
Yeah, I think the first one is more simple compared to this.
Yeah, I like everything that's going on. You got the
extra
Presto
stuff
look.
Makes it
Makes it
better.
look dope.
Yeah.
Makes it look dope. I to tell you the truth, I don't know what the hell I'll rock it with, and I'm pretty good with this, but I mean I'm pretty sure I can figure it out. But would I buy the shoe? No, they give it to me for free. I'm rocking it.
Yeah.
The shoe is a hype for me.
You heard plug.
Yeah, these are cool. Even
Attention.
The fact that they're high tops,
Yeah, attention
makes
plug.
them look better.
Yo,
Attention plug.
And that's just being real. Like I guess
Nike.
I get shit for free.
Yeah,
But
industrial. It is
on
a
the
very
Nike
industrial look. I love the lacing system that it has. Super dope. A lot of details on this shoe.
You think you have the mags on? Like auto lacing kind of shit?
Auto lacing would be sick, but this is more like industrial. So, yeah, I think I like these, bro. These are kind of hype. Would I rock these? Probably not, but I like this.
You get it,
design.
but you don't get it.
Yeah, exactly. Nah, this is the design of it is dope, and I think it's hype, but I wouldn't wear.
I'm
these.
gonna keep it.
I would wear these before I wear those, because I don't know. They're too high top.
You actually have a pair of shoes that look like that.
I probably
That's
do. Yeah.
not like that, but like that style. I think
Yeah.
it's the shoe galleries.
Maybe.
The
The green ones.
Columbia. Kind of like it.
Kinda like it. Kinda like
Similar.
it.
I like weird shoes like this, so I would rock these, but
You would what?
I would rock these.
He said he would rack it.
I want to try these on for sure.
I'll put that shit like
You
a
would
tennis
see,
ball.
you would
Rack
see
it.
Hansel with those on the
I'll rack
track.
it.
He'll probably run in the track with those.
Yeah,
For sure.
All right.
but I like these more. So the design, hype, trash.
Still 2 trash for me.
Let's move on.
All right,
to
so
Straight
trash, hype, and then we got 3 trash for these. All right, next shoe, Yeezy Boost 350 Reflectives.
These are Jesse's favorite shoes,
All right,
guys.
I got one thing to say about these, and it's trash. Trash. That's twice, but it's one word. Trash. Your turn.
And you guys would think that Jesse doesn't have any 350s at home, and he actually does.
Yeah, because it's
Low key, he does have.
investment.
on a rainy day.
Nah, I
rainy
won't
day.
wear it. It's investment. Oh, I got a pair of all white triple whites for you.
Size 10?
Yep.
I don't know. That sounds kind of. We'll talk about
No,
that
I
later.
do.
We'll talk about
No
that.
box.
No box.
These are crispy.
Krispy
Super
Kreme.
white. I think they're dope. They're hype, of course. All black shoes are very, very popular.
Especially the reflective.
The Yeezy Boost 350 is probably
No, you keep going.
okay. The Yeezy Boost 350 is I mean they overdo it, man. They have so many colorways.
We're
but,
like, what the? I was like, what the fuck was that?
Yeah.
I thought it was like Darth Vader in the building.
but this is a very wearable shoe. I love the 3M, of course. This is the all reflective version of the triple blacks. I think they're hype, bro, and I'm pretty sure they're going up. They're reselling for a lot.
Yeah, they're
I think
selling-
800, 900 bucks.
Yeah.
So
And I think the reflective is what it gives the value to the sneaker.
These
so
are more exclusive for sure. So I think they're hype. I know Yeezy in general is not as popular as it used to be.
yeah,
But yeah, these are still sick. I like these.
they're still going for a lot.
Yeah, I like them. They're hype.
For me, it still has hype, right? It's not a trash, but it still has hype.
Yeah.
Personally, would I cop? No. But it's still a hype sneaker that everybody still go to. They still buy it. Everybody likes it. Even old people buy it. I see my folks, they have a pair of Yeezy. I'm like, what the heck?
Yeah.
You pay $220 for those? I wouldn't pay $220. $150 is good.
150s are cap. Yeah. I mean, 220 is high. But again, they're very comfortable shoes. If you're going to wear them every day, that's going to be a good shoe to wear every day. Like for a pair of beaters, not bad.
All right, trash.
I'll give it a hype.
Next one. We got the Air Jordan 6s, Travis Scott's.
It's lit.
Probably
It's
the
lit.
best shoe on the table. Right
Best
now.
shoe on the table. This is hype for sure. Yeah. Listen,
It's
this
one
is
of the.
this
one
is
of the
This is my favorite.
best.
this is hype for sure. We got the olive green with the infrared. Super dope. Makes the infrared stand out with the new buck. I like it. Glow in the dark soul.
Yeah.
Glow in the dark soul. Super dope.
Make sure to go to
It-
Hyper
it-
Trash
it-
to see more details on the sneaker.
It better be glow in the dark.
It glows. in
We
the dark.
talking crazy right now.
No, it
definitely.
glows.
It glows in the dark.
All right.
Is UV reactant or something like that?
I like the pocket. Cactus Jack in the back. Cactus Jack on the
So many details
on the
into
lace
the
lock.
sneaker, right?
Yeah, it's sick.
Not too many detail, but
There's
I
a
like
lot of details.
I like the shoe. I like the infrared inside the air bubble too. That's super dope. But I'm a Jordan head, bro, and I like Travis Scott. Oh, bust out the yellow laces, super loose on the top. 6 shoe.
I got the yellow hoodie. That hoodie that comes with that they sold when this collection came out. It's dope.
Dope. I like it.
Yeah.
It's lit.
Super hype. I love the military color. It reminds me of the Undefeateds, the Undefeated 5s. A lot of great details. Even these lace locks have the
You talking about
Cactus
the
Jack.
olive? You talking about olive 5s?
Yeah, the
Undefeated
yeah.
4s.
The Undefeated 4s, yes. Damn,
Yes,
I'm
the-
like all over
yeah.
the place.
So we got undefeated 4s and we got the olive 5s. I know what you mean though.
Yeah.
Yeah, olive 5s were clean,
And
but
it-
they had that tough material.
Yeah, it was like scratchy too.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
oh,
That
I
shit was
love- I
dope
love that
shoe.
And
man.
you-
But when that shit wrinkled in the front,
That's
oof,
it.
the toe
I
box
still
looked
rocked it,
bad.
bro. I wish I still had those shoes. But-
What's the Travis Scott 6 is going for?
600.
6, 7.
600?
Depending on the
That's
size.
it?
Yeah, depending on the size.
It's time to get it right now then.
600 to 700.
It might be, man. These are
Listen
nice,
to me.
bro.
I'll put anything on it that shoe goes up past $1,000.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, a few in a year or two.
That stash
sure.
pocket. Shout out to the stash pocket. You already know how Travis Scott does it. Overall, an amazing shoe, amazing colorway, great use of materials, great use of color. Again, Travis Scott hitting it out of the park. these are hype. And if you want to resell them, you're gonna make some bread. That's
Yeah,
for
I
sure.
give it a hype. I think it's a very unique sneaker. And
You got
like
them,
Jesse,
right?
yeah, I got them. And like Jesse said, it's a sneaker that the value is gonna increase maybe in a year or two, even more. It's gonna go even higher.
Yeah, those yellow shoelaces are sick. I didn't even know
Yeah.
they came with yellow shoelaces. So, yeah.
Shout out to Travis Scott.
Let's go
shout
back
out
to
to
back.
Jordan.
Let's go back to back with.
But
Let's
let's
go
keep-
back to
let's
back with the
keep it
Travis
up.
Scott. All right, so we got hype.
This
Of
is
course, it's Michael Jordan. Shout out to Jordan. Shout out to SoFly in Miami. Shout out to Danny Chino.
we're gonna
You
go
already
to
know.
one of my favorite Travis Scott, and it's the Air Force. These are amazing. I love
super
the,
dope shoe.
the concept behind the sneaker. I like everything that all the details that it has, all the different materials.
Yeah, I seen Fernando
It's
rocking.
it's
these
crazy. The shoelaces.
You don't have these?
I have these.
Shoes. Yeah, he
Damn,
I've
this
seen him
nigga
wear.
got all the shoes.
I get them once in a while. The
I'll
little
give
thing
you
in the
some
back.
shirts for a shoe.
What's that strap
Some
for?
hats.
We'll
I'll
talk
back
about
into
that.
hats.
What happened?
What's that strap for?
I don't know. You could put a little flag in the back and clip it.
Just,
Have a little palito allá atrás.
to tell you the truth,
But I don't know.
It's for back then. Back then, I remember when I was in high school, we would put rubber bands on our jeans. But now you could just wrinkle the jean up, tie it like a ponytail, and then clip it right there.
Coño.
Yeah, I figured that's what it was for.
Right?
clipping your Jenko.
It has to
Your
have a
Jenko
use,
jean.
right? It has to definitely be
that's for
something.
style. That's for style, bro. Cause listen, buttons, clips, and freaking loops. That's all for style. That's all for look.
But these sneakers, I like to rock them
Super dope.
with the white shoelaces for sure. Not the white. It's like an off-white shoelace.
Yeah,
right?
like a cream.
A cream.
All right, so I mean, I'll jump on it. I would say this shoe's super dope. I love that it has I love that it's an Air Force One. That's a staple in the kick game. Air Force Ones are super clean, super dope to rock. You can rock that with anywhere. Got to keep a fresh pair of all whites. But back to these, I like all the different material. You got the canvas type material, you got the leather, you got the corduroy, you got the zipper, you got the button, you got the cream, you got the gum
tweed back
bottom.
here.
Super dope with the three different laces three different laces. Man, it's super dope, super dope. I fuck with this shoe heavy, especially as an Air Force One
said heavy?
and Travis Scott.
Heavy?
I like this shoe. This is a hype. Yo, I'll rock this shoe. Check it out. I'll loosen it up, rock this open, right? Some jeans, or some shorts with some nice tube socks with some. Oh my God, I'll kill it.
Time out.
I need these.
So yeah, what's cool about this shoe is, like Jesse said, the materials are crazy. I love this Cactus Jack Records font on the background on some of the panels. You got this orange color, man. It really sticks out. Like it's such a unique
And
color.
the camo on the swoosh in the inner.
The camo on the
That's
swoosh,
dope.
bro. Like even this like lime green stitching on the sole.
I didn't notice that.
Yeah,
it's
dude.
like it's not like a lime green. It's
It's like a cactus green.
It looks like a glow in the dark.
yeah. I see what they
it's
did
lit,
there.
bro.
That's nice.
Super dope, bro. With the gum sole on the bottom, super clean silhouette.
And
And I
this-
even like this like lace cover, bro. Like
That's dope.
Yeah,
That's
that's
what I'm
very-
saying. I rock it
yeah,
open
like
though.
very unique look. Like not I haven't seen.
And this is also a
Many
sneaker
pairs of
that
this.
something similar to the 6 that is going for $600 to $700, but I think it's a sneaker that it's also gonna.
Oh
get
yeah,
some-
give that shoe a year. That shoe's gonna
year,
be
it's
over
gonna get-
$1,000
Yep.
easy.
Yeah, this crazy.
slowly creeping up.
Yeah, this is hype for sure.
Hype. Jesse?
and to rock. I don't even like.
You
Air
gotta
Forces.
remember, like the fours were like I talked about last episode. They stayed at $400-500 for a while. Now they're $1,000.
Yep.
They're gonna go up even more.
Yeah,
Eventually, yep.
these are gonna go up. for
They're
sure.
Travis Scott's first shoe.
Well,
All right, so
it's
next
hype.
shoe,
It's
hype. You already know. Jump on the next one.
Air Forces.
We got the
another one.
skeleton Air Forces. These are super dope.
Yeah.
You want to know why? I'm gonna tell you why. I've always had a thing with all black Air Forces. I like them. I had only one pair before, but then after a while, it's like, oh, all black Air Forces. Like it's not raw. Like all white ones are dope, but like all black is like you might rob somebody. Like you look like you gonna rob somebody or something like that. Like you know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah,
like, but then they threw the clear in the dark.
I love that. The clear in the dark. Hey,
Clear
you
in the dark.
You haven't heard that one? You heard it here.
Clear in the dark.
This is hyper trash.
Hey, we got
everyone.
we got the glow in the dark sole on the bottom, and then this is glow in the dark too, right? The skeleton foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It kind of like if you have.
I think it is. Yo, that's dope. That's dope.
Yeah.
What
I
size
like
is
this
what size are
airbrush
these?
effect.
What size are these?
And these came
It's
in
a 10 and a
the.
half. It was a
There's
9, I
also
would've
a
been like
white
going home
colorway,
with
right?
these.
There's also a white.
Yeah, these
colorway
come
of
in white as well.
Yeah.
These are super dope, man. I wanted a pair. I slept on them.
Yeah. These
Well,
are
how much
dope.
they go for? Size 9?
Size 9, they're going for 274.
274.
So
It's up there.
it's still up there.
Yeah, these will be like at 400 soon.
Retail is what was 130.
Super dope shoe. This is a hype for me. Skeleton, glow in the dark bottom, glow in the dark skeleton foot on an all black shoe. It's super dope. I like the all black over the whites just because I could rock the shit out of them and they're not gonna look too beat up.
Yeah. These
I like it.
Super dope. Oh, and then we got the bones on the Nike on the tongue.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah,
that's
the
dope.
font on the Nike.
Yeah, the
on
font,
tongue
exactly.
Has
It's a
Dope shoe.
bones. Super
That's-
sick.
That's a hype for me.
Yeah.
I think it's a
super
sneaker you
hype.
should have.
And it's spooky.
You know
I
what's
like
dope
spooky.
too? I see these all the time during the Heat games. There's a Heat player that wears these, and so when they huddle in the timeout, I see these shoes all the time. I don't know who it is exactly,
That's a signal.
but there's someone
you
that
need to get
wears someone on the Heat team that wears this shoe.
Get him.
Again, overall, like I'm not the biggest Air Force One fan, but we have two really good pairs here.
Facts.
Man. Very, very well designed, very executed. Like the Travis Scott is like almost
Executed.
the opposite of this. It's like materials, colors, and combination. This one is like straight black, but with the best amount of detail for a black shoe.
Yeah.
Super sick. I love the airbrush effect.
Airbrush.
That the bones have, and then, of course the glow in the dark soul.
I love that. I love that we have Hansel here because he always gives us
He
the,
gives
the
it
details.
really detailed.
These are nice,
Detail.
bro.
He gives us all the names, the weird names
Facts.
of the material that they use for the sneakers and the concept.
These are
behind
hype.
them.
I hope I didn't sleep on these. These are dope.
Yeah, definitely a sneaker you want to have. Well, with that, we come to an end, right? That's
Yep.
it. Let's go
Yeah,
into
man,
shout
knock
out.
that out.
Any shout out for today?
Yo, listen, I want to give a shout out to Pinsbro. Give a shout out to Pinsbro. Shout out to Pokemon Storage System. Those are my people, always looking out with the bait. You already know. Hey, shout out to Soulfly in the building.
Soulfly.
Hey, just because we got Jordans in the building and I talked about them, and I need to give a shout out. Hey, you know what that means?
It is time.
That means a Heat one. Now I'm talking shit. All right, but shout out to Soulfly, shout out to Shoe Galleries, both Danny's, always looking out, and shout out to Pinsbro, and shout out to us, man. We in season 2, and we're gonna keep killing it.
Shout out to the plug that gave us all these sneakers to review every
Shout
week.
out
Yeah,
to
he's the guy in the back.
He's
He
the
don't
guy in
even
the
he don't
back.
even
He
want us to
wanna
mention
be
it.
But with that, we have come to the end. Thank you everyone for being part of Hyper Trash. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. We're gonna leave the link to all of the sneakers and also our Instagram. Thank you everyone.
Make sure you follow us on Hyper Trash, Miami Mewtwo. We got Darkness Ablaze in the building. You already know.
You already know Hyper Trash, everyone.
Let's get it.